So here they are, the Daniel Arsham 4Ds. Arsham? I think I pronounced that right, correct me if I'm wrong. But this is just a quick unboxing, showing you guys what the shoe looks like in hand. And yeah, we've got past, present, future just here. It's pretty dope. Literally everything is attention to detail, because for those of you that do know, Daniel is actually an architect. So even down to the gloves. This is just a packet for the gloves. So it's crazy. And we get a closer look at that in a second. But yeah, literally is crazy dope, man. Even down to the socks. So we got past and present here. His little logo just there. I'm sure it's got future on there somewhere. And if we remove this and put this just here, so I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the shoe, and here it is, Daniel Arsham 4D. And honestly, it's crazy, guys. It's great. I know I keep saying it, but I'm proper hyped for this shoe. Guys, it's crazy because I was actually able to cop this shoe manually on Adidas at the time, and it was funny because I was about to leave for work, and just as I was about to leave, the splash page let me through. Unfortunately, my size was out of stock, which was a 10.5. Luckily, after refreshing twice, a 9.5 came in stock, and I just literally copped that instead of leaving with nothing. In the end, moving on, I was able to find a size swap, so shout out to Pav in the Sole Supplier group and the Sole Retriever group. You guys know who you are. Shout out to you guys. I was able to do a size swap, and the rest is history. But yeah, guys, so now I'm going to show you guys an even closer look at the shoe, so you guys can see it a bit better, more so in more detail, and show you guys it on foot. So yeah, let's get into it. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video and kind of got a gist of the crazy tech that Carbon and Adidas have been working on to create such a dope shoe. Shout out to Daniel Arsham also, who is actually an architect. So he works on some crazy art and sculpture, so I'll link his Instagram in the description below. I want to mention before I go the Sole Retriever group and the Sole Supplier group once more. So if you are interested in sneakers or a sneaker enthusiast, just generally interested in sneakers, make sure you guys check their app out, their website out, which are all linked in the description below. And there is a Facebook group, so this Facebook group you get the latest news and whatnot, all on the latest sneakers. So you can also interact, exchange and meet up if you wish with people who just share the same interests as you guys, which would be sneakers obviously. There also is Above the Sole, which is linked to the Sole Supplier, so if you're interested in the highest and craziest streetwear brands like Kith, Supreme, Palace, Gucci, Balenciaga, whatever it may be, make sure you check that out as well. In regards to the Sole Retriever, Johnny, Seb, Scott, shout out to you guys. You guys have worked very hard to create a website where it is pretty dope because the latest hype sneakers and whatnot, raffle links are all on that site. So these guys have worked very hard on that site for everyone to find the raffle links to the latest and dopest sneakers out there. So make sure you check that out too. I'll also link that in the description below, as well as the Facebook group. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys got a gist. As I said, if you're interested in sneakers, clothing and the hype sneakers, all that information, make sure you check out the Sole Retriever group above the Sole and the Sole Supplier group, guys. So make sure you guys check that out. And yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Peace.